Welcome. If you want to make your LinkedIn profile easier to find using your email address, especially after the latest update, you're in the right place. Today, I'll walk you through the simple steps to enable profile discovery by your LinkedIn email address, all from your PC. Let's get started. First, open your preferred web browser and head over to the LinkedIn website. Make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're on the LinkedIn homepage, look towards the top right corner of the screen. You'll see your profile picture or the Me icon. Click on that icon to open a drop-down menu. From the drop-down, select Settings and Privacy. This will take you to a new page where you can manage all your account preferences and privacy controls. Now look at the menu on the left side of the screen. Find and click on the section labeled Visibility. This is where you control who can see your information and how people can find you on LinkedIn. Within the Visibility section, scroll down until you find the option called Profile Discovery using email address. Click on it to open more settings. Here's the important part. You'll see a few different options for who can use your email address to find your profile. To make your profile discoverable by anyone who has your email, select the option labeled Anyone. This means anyone who knows your LinkedIn email address can search for you and find your profile, making it easier for colleagues, recruiters, or old friends to connect with you. And that's it. You've now enabled profile discovery by your LinkedIn email address. This setting can help you expand your professional network and ensure you're easier to find by the right people. Remember, you can always return to these settings and adjust your privacy preferences at any time. Thanks for watching, and if you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more LinkedIn tips and tech tutorials.